Wednesday.
Men. Can't live with them. Might as well beat the crap out of them.
She stopped somebody to live by her rules.
What the hell?
Allies of that man.
Sneak Dark Strike. What's this guy got?
What's he got where?
Powers.
The closer she gets to him, the closer she gets to evil.
You don't have to worry about Dark Strike.
Who comes up with these names?